if your floors are looking a little dirty, I got something that might clean them up a whole lot faster than scrubbing these things. Hey guys, it's Carmen DiMaradeo, and our friends sent out this 16.5-inch power washer attachment that's a floor cleaner. So this is what it is. It has these poles here. It all looks pretty plug and play with the connectors here. So we're just going to connect it here. And we have some Teflon tape and some fittings, which are always nice to have. And then we have the power washer attachment itself. So this is very nice. This is all stainless steel. We have 360-degree casters, so that way no matter which way you're moving it, it will move along with you. All right, cool. This is nice because this is going to just attach right on here, like so. And then the other part is going to attach directly to your power washer. Underneath here, you have two nozzles, and they look very small. So you're going to get a lot of pressure. This is going to spin like this, and it's going to clean it. What's nice is it has these bristles. There's some really thick bristles here, which are going to help keep the water inside. I'm sure some water is still going to move around. But let's go ahead and get the power washer fired up, and let's get this thing attached. And there you have it. This is the full tool. It comes with the 2-pole attachment, so it was easy to attach to my power washer wand. It gave me plenty of length to keep the water away from me, but at the same time, it still was a nice arc. I love the fact that the wheels have a 360-degree pivot. This thing worked absolutely wonderful. It is a really solid tool. I cannot wait to finish the rest of the garage and then onto the sidewalks. So my friends, if your grounds, if your concrete floors are looking a little dirty, pick up one of these floor cleaners that attach to your power washer. I'll tell you what, man, your floor is never going to be that clean again. Never going to be that clean again. That worked awesome. I wasn't sure how it was going to work, only having 2 nozzles in there, but they must spin really fast because as soon as I came over here, you could just see all the dirt just coming off of it, and it was really cool. I like the fact that it has the 2 attachments. What's nice, if you have a longer wand and you want it shorter, obviously you can just go ahead and disconnect this and you'll have a shorter wand. That might be a little easier to control, and it still gives you a good distance there. Overall, this thing worked absolutely fantastic. I'm going to finish the rest of my garage, and then I'm going to go out and maybe clean the driveway because it's looking a little dirty, or maybe the concrete walkway. So if you're in the market to clean your concrete floors or your blacktop, look no further, my friends, and pick up one of these awesome floor cleaners.